every year. I can't believe what time you're getting back. Looking like a picture of the
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaylani, also known as Kay, and we're back with another video. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. Hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bringing in, y'all, we are back with another video, honey, and not just any old video. We are back with a SHEIN cozy season video, and I would like to thank SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. Okay, y'all, I know y'all here for a good time, not a long time, so we're just gonna jump into it. But before I do that, I do want to make sure that you know that everything that I show you today, you do have access to get you a wonderful discount by using this search code as well as this coupon code. So if this sounds like something you want to see, stay tuned. All right, guys, first things first, we got some marvelous things, baby. SHEIN did their thing when they sent this over. Now, y'all know I didn't look at it, tried it on, and did all the things because I like to review so you don't have to. So coming to the stage first, when you think cozy season, you think fall, you think darker colors. So one of the pieces that I picked was actually a two-piece, and I love it because it can be transferable to from fall to any other season, to be perfectly honest with you. Now, it is a tad bit thick, but if you're working in the office, it's absolutely perfect. And that's this outfit right here. Now, when I seen it, I thought it was a burgundy outfit, but when I got it, it was more of a eggplant, which I actually love more. Your top is very, very, very stretchy, guys. Oh my God, it's so stretchy. So yes, I would say that you could size down. I would say you could size down. This is the matching skirt. I absolutely love, love, love. Y'all know we love a thick band over here, y'all. So let me show you how this outfit looks on. Guys, y'all seen it? I love this together. Just so you know, all the information for each piece will be linked down below. Just click on it and shop, 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 child. So let's get into this next look. Okay, guys, so this next look, when I seen this shirt, I thought about I just thought about jeans because I got so many pair of jeans, but I don't have a lot of shirts. So when I seen this shirt right here, I was like, okay, yeah, I need that in my life. So y'all, this is what came in. It does look like it do on the website. These buttons are for show. They are not functional, but they are still cute. Now, the ones that are at the neck, they are definitely functionable. So we do love that. So we have the control around the neck. You can either flip the shirt down or you can wear it up. I probably would flip it down. I do think that I would love for it to be shaped to fit, so you have to kind of finesse it to make it look the way you want to. So y'all look how I styled it. See what I mean when I say you gotta finagle it, but it's still absolutely stunning. Guys, tell me what you think about these two looks down in the comments, and let's jump into this next look. All right, guys, since I showed y'all the shirt, and so we're in the single piece era, let me show you this skirt that I just fell in love with. And that's this skirt right here. I see so many things with this skirt, from a graphic tee to a crop top. It's just so much you can do with this skirt. So this is what the skirt looks like. I love the draping on the side. I love, love, love this. I don't know if this style is in now, because I am seeing it a lot, especially on SHEIN's website, in different colors. I actually already have them in my cart. I already have them in my cart on on the next skirts that I want to order. But this is absolutely so cute. It can go from the cozy season to any other season. I absolutely love this. Take a look on how I styled this up. Y'all, I love her. I love her. I paired her with that jacket just because it is the cozy season. And yeah, y'all tell me what you think about this skirt down in the comments, and let's get into this next look. All right, guys, this next look, you know, your girl had to get something denim. She had to get something denim, and I did something a little risque. I went a little shorter than I would normally do. So this is what I ordered. And this is what I got. Now, I absolutely love this. Now, y'all know I say it all the time. But what I really love is that these buttons are functional. And they're not just there for show. I love that. And when I style it, you're going to see why. So, y'all, take a look on how it looks when I styled it. You see how you can be conservative with it, and then you can be K-Lani with it. You know, I'm always choose for something boob friendly. You know, unless it's cold. If it's cold, I'm gonna go ahead and button it up. For the most part, I absolutely love this. It is so free flowing, especially if you're going to like some little, you know, rodeo season is in a couple of months, honey. And if you're going to rodeo season and you don't want something all tight, this is your girl, honey. Throw on your cowboy hat and some boots and sashay on through. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this little denim number down in the comments, and let's get into this next look. All right, y'all. Because it's the cozy season, it's only fair that I give you something that wraps around you and make you feel good, and that's jackets. So this jacket was a Moto jacket that it just, every time I think that I wasn't gonna get it, it just kept, I was like, I gotta have it, I gotta have it, I gotta have it. So this is what I ordered. This is what I got. Y'all, I love, 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 love. Get into the color. Get into the colors of this. I absolutely love this. Y'all, look how I styled this up. She is that girl, baby. Y'all better get ready to be sick of me in this Moto jacket. Y'all tell me what you think about this jacket down in the comments, and let's get into this next look. All right, guys. I can't even much play with y'all. I have been on the lookout for this particular jacket, and I actually, when I got this opportunity and I seen it on the website, I jumped at it. Now, it is oh so cute, and y'all, believe it or not, I believe this is my first time owning one of these type jackets. I know, at 53 years old. What was I thinking? I was missing out. But anywho, this is what I ordered, y'all. And this is what I got. This cropped trench coat jacket. Oh my God. Y'all, look, get into the detail. Look, get into the detail. Baby, this is why I say, y'all, I gotta invest in an iron or a steamer or something. But ooh, this is so cute. Y'all, look at the buttons. Look at the buttons. The quality, chef's kiss. I absolutely love this. Check out how I styled this trench crop jacket up. Y'all tell me what you think. Y'all know that's my favorite thing. Tell me what you think. I need to make a t-shirt that say that. But y'all, out of all the looks that I showed you guys from SHEIN, tell me which one is your favorite. Also, do not forget to use this search code as well as this coupon code in order to get your discount. And SHEIN, thanks again for sponsoring today's video. And you know, guys, if you made it to this part of the video, you are the real MVP. I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning.